Yellow light of death? Don't panic. You can fix it yourself. Save $200 and avoid the 6-week wait for it to come back from Sony. If your box is freezing up, giving you an error code, or even giving you a black screen or the yellow light of death, you can bring it back to life while saving yourself time and money, guaranteed. Follow our easy step-by-step videos to get rid of all of your PS3 problems permanently. We are the world's first and certified PS3 repair program and have helped many customers like you successfully repair their broken PS3s. Plus, you won't lose your data, you won't get some cheap refurbished machine as a replacement, and you won't have to wait and wonder if you'll ever see your machine again. Follow the same methods as Sony using basic equipment you already have. Click Add to Cart and get instant lifetime access to our professionally made videos, detailed ebook, full color pictures, instruction manual, and private members area. Save time, save money, save your machine.